Hi, welcome to the unboxing and installation guide video of all new Supernova treadmill by beatXP. Let us quickly move on to our next steps. When you receive your box, start by removing the banding and the lid. Before we start our installation, we recommend laying all the parts and checking them against the manual to make sure you are not missing any items. Step 1. Unscrew the locking handle and lift up the column. Step 2. To tighten the locking handle, ensure the column is positioned at the upper limit point. Step 3. Insert the tablet holder into the header slot. Step 4. Pull out 4 plugs from the upright column. Step 5. Insert the both handrail into their corresponding position and use 5 mm Allen wrench to pass 2 M850 screws through the upright tube, then lock into them the corresponding threaded holes of handrail. Step 6. Insert the cover back into the square holes of the column. Step 7. Attach the safety key under the treadmill console, and with this step, your beatXP Supernova is ready to use. Perfect for a home gym setup. Can be easily stored in a small places. Remote control to manage speed. Supports walking and running.